Okay, now let's talk about early Christian architecture. Early Christian architecture focused on churches and monuments related to the religion Christianity, which was spreading around that time. The structures made in that time still exist today, showing its architectural ensemblance and remarkability for its structural strength. Early Christian architecture was present from circa 250 up to 500 AD. There were the buildings produced between the 3rd and 7th centuries for the Christian church. The architecture was inspired by Christianity, the persuasive religion of salvation. Christianity was politically subversive and bitterly persecuted. Early Christian architecture, there were two historic events: the Edict of Milan circa 313 and the transfer of power from Rome to